Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to apply for Amazon Flex driver. Alright, let's begin. So how do you apply for an Amazon Flex account? So first things first is you need to install the official app for this one. So you can go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for Amazon Flex and just click on the install button that you see here. Now once you've successfully installed this, let's go ahead and click on open. We need to provide a few things here. Now you will need an Amazon account in order for you to start using Amazon Flex. So if you already have an account here, you can go ahead and click on sign in with Amazon, or if you don't have an Amazon account yet, you can go ahead and click on create an account. So in my case, I already have an Amazon account here. Let's go ahead and click on sign in with Amazon. Now same thing in how you log in into Amazon. Just provide your username or email and your password and hit on sign in. Now it's going to ask you to provide some permissions here so that you could properly use Amazon Flex. That includes providing permissions for your current location, camera access, phone state and cell phone. So let's go ahead and click on continue here, and in here let's go ahead and click on while using the app. And you could go ahead and choose the allow option as well and allow the notification and mobile and delivery that should redirect you to another page here. So once you get started on creating your account here for Amazon Flex, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you meet the following criteria. So that includes that you should be of legal age, which is around 18 years old. You also need to have a UK driver's license, a UK national insurance number, a mid-size or a larger vehicle here with 5 seats or more, and also have some right to work document. Also, that includes like a passport or biometric residence permit. Also, you need to have a valid commercial vehicle insurance, UK bank account, and pass a background check, which in this case, your email from third-party providers in this case should be accurate. So, if you meet all the criteria here, you should be able to add a check next to them. Now, if you do not meet the criteria here, I suggest you to first get all those documents with you first, because they will be requesting you to provide that. Now, in this case, if you meet those, just click on get started and also add all the checks at the side of the requirements. So you click on get started. Now in here, you need to provide some details that includes your personal details like the postcode where you want to deliver. Now, once you've entered your postcode, it's now going to ask you select the days you want to deliver. So for example, in my case, maybe I want to start delivering every Monday, Wednesday, and even Friday. Now you can go ahead and select the days here. You need to add a heart on the days that you really want to deliver. So let's go ahead and select our top 3 days here and click on next. Now in here, it's going to ask you what time. So in this case, you go and provide that. Now, in here what we need to do next is we need to provide our vehicle information. So that includes the year, the make, the model, as well as the fuel type. And also, you need to confirm that this is the vehicle that you plan to use when you drive. So make sure to be truthful on the information that you'll be providing here, because they'll be double checking all information, and any misinformation provided here may lead to your account not being created or accepted. Now, in the next pages, it's going to guide you on basically creating your account. So that includes entering some details about yourself, providing your ID, you're taking a picture of your ID, and some documents regarding your car. But also in the next page, it's going to inform you if there are going to be some available spots that you could use for, or in this case, you can apply for Amazon Flex driver. So currently it's setting that no spots available at the moment. So there aren't any spots for more delivery partners, but if there are any, you can go and click on join waiting list here, and they will contact you if you are eligible, and you could basically apply or continue your application. And just follow the on-screen steps and you should be good to go. So that's basically how you can apply for Amazon Flex driver, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.